Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Graybeard Garage. My name is Matt. Today we're going to be working on our utility trailer. We'll show you that here in a minute. But we're going to be replacing this broken jack. So it's 3 bolts, comes right out. We'll bolt this one right in. Just a real quick project to show you how to go ahead and change one of these out if you need to get one replaced. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get to it after I reposition the camera so we can see what we're doing here. Forgive the road noise. Like I said, I live on a super busy street, so we'll get this done. All right, guys, so what we're doing is we're going to pull out the 3 bolts here and then wait for that truck to go by. We're going to pull these 3 bolts out, pull this right up. We have a brand new one here that we got from Harbor Freight for like 40 bucks. So we'll go ahead and get that installed, and then we're going to be using our brand new DeWalt 3/8 inch 20 volt drive with a 5 amp hour battery on it. Just got this thing for Christmas, so kind of excited to give it a try. All right, guys, so here we go. All right, pretty easy. So we got that out and pull this right out. Maybe. All right, let's see if we can bang it out real quick. Worst case, I might go get a pry bar. All right, let's see. Oh, interesting. All right, let me go get a pry bar. All right, guys, so I didn't use a pry bar. Had to resort to this. So I had to get my cutoff and cut off this bottom chunk here. Let's see if it's hot. Yeah, it's a little warm. So anyway, I had to cut this piece off because it wouldn't fit up through here. So now it comes out no problem. So we'll just put that over there out of the way. Throw that over there. Then we'll go ahead and get our box opened up. All right, guys, so we'll get this thing opened up. Okay. So there's our new one. Ooh, like a glove. I like it. And so now this one, was supposed to have, I thought, landing attachments. So it doesn't. So I probably won't be able to use this one this weekend, which is no big deal. I'll just pick up a landing attachment. So anyway, let's go ahead and get this thing bolted back on. Find the threads. There we go. All right, and we'll finish them off with our DeWalt 3/8 inch impact. Okay. Well, that's our new jack installed. I'm gonna have to pick up either a wheel or a foot for it, which I should have probably read the box better, but no biggie. We'll just pick one up. So anyway, guys, that was pretty quick and easy. And then yeah, so we'll just pick up our landing gear and we'll be good to go. Hey guys, so thanks for tuning in again. If this is the kind of stuff you like to see, hit that like button. Leave a comment behind if you got a comment to make. Subscribe if you want to keep seeing the same kind of cool stuff. Next thing we'll probably be working on here is some new lights, some new brake lights. We bought some that are in a metal box that we're going to go ahead and weld onto the trailer. And then got a couple other little odds and ends we might be doing to this thing. So, all right, so we're a few days later here after installing this tongue jack for the trailer. But what I wanted to discuss was the fact that the jack did not come with the hardware for the foot. All right, so they had this. That's a separate purchase, and it goes on to the jack. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that, show you guys how that goes on, and then I'm gonna give you kind of an update on how I like or dislike this thing. So pretty simple. It honestly just slides on just like that. Right? The pin goes in. Comes around and locks, and that's it. Pretty simple. So go ahead and put this thing down, and then we're going to take a second and discuss pros and cons of this setup. All right, guys, so I just wanted to kind of discuss what I like and dislike about that whole tongue setup. I like the fact of where it's located, because it's in the center of the tongue, so it makes a lot of sense for it to be there. The thing that I don't like is that it sits 6 inches or so below the tongue, and then when you add that foot on there, it drops it down about another inch. So when I was backing the trailer in from when we came home last weekend, it just scraped along that sidewalk the whole way in. So I really don't like the fact that it sits so much lower than the tongue jack that I have mounted to the side of the tongue. So at this point in time, I have to say I'm not very happy with the jack and the fact that it sits so much lower. As far as performance and how it works, it's fine. There's no issues at all. And honestly, I think if I was backing into a driveway that was level, that might make a big difference too. But the way my driveway is to the road, it's like this, so that thing just drags every time I back in. But other than that, it's great. I don't have any issues with it. It's well built, well put together. If you don't want to use the pin, you can put in a bolt or something with like a locking washer on it, or you can remove the foot, which will give you another inch or so of clearance. So kind of up to you as to how you would use that. But my overall opinion is it's well built. It's it's quality. There's nothing wrong with it. I mean, I did get it at Harbor Freight. I know a lot of people like to poo-poo on Harbor Freight, but let's be honest, guys. Most things are not made in America. Even your top brand tools are not made in America anymore. So it is what it is. And like I said, as far as that, it's just a tongue jack, so it's not a huge deal. So say make your own judgment call. If you currently have a tongue jack that has the triangle set up inside the tongue, it's an awesome replacement. It works well. It was an easy bolt-in addition to that trailer. So I'm gonna leave them both on right now and see which one I like better, and we'll go from there. So maybe we'll give you another update. Otherwise, that's probably going to be it for that. The next thing we're going to be working on is getting a new lighting system put on there. I have purchased some new lights that we're going to install, and some new wires, so we're going to rewire everything as well. So we will we'll take a look at that point in time. So go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to keep seeing this kind of content. Feel free to leave comments below. Let me know if you have one and what you think about it. And as always, guys, you can do anything if you put your mind to it. We'll see you here again next time on Graybeard Garage. Take care.